Hello, and welcome to Lawjibsa's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about frequently asked questions regarding the Haru bankruptcy case, including why you need to hire a lawyer and why it should be Lawjibsa. First off, is asset recovery even possible? And how much can be recovered? We believe there is a significant amount of assets still recoverable. Due to the nature of blockchain, unless the assets were liquidated through a specific margin trading, we are confident that a portion of the virtual assets remains intact. Based on our analysis, we estimate a minimum recovery rate of 25% to 30%. Next question, what if we end up paying for the retainer fee but don't get anything in return? A common question, especially from international clients, is whether the recovery will at least cover the retainer fee. Many ask if it's worth proceeding if the retainer fee cannot be recovered. We can reassure you that the recovery will exceed the retainer fee. It's important to note that our firm's goal is not simply to benefit from the retainer fee. Our primary focus is recovering a substantial amount of assets from the bankruptcy estate, and in turn, earning success fees based on the successful recovery. We aim to return as much of your assets as possible. Like mentioned above, we project a recovery rate of at least 25% to 30%, which is why we are confident in this case. Moving on to a very important question, why should we choose Lawjibsa over other law firms? Some law firms may offer to file claims at a lower cost than we do, or outsource claim filings to larger firms. However, unlike the U.S. bankruptcy system, the Korean bankruptcy law does not operate in a way where the bankruptcy trustee handles everything. It's particularly challenging for the trustee to recover hidden or difficult to find assets on their own. Having worked as a presiding judge at the Seoul Bankruptcy Court, I have seen many cases like this. Creditors need to present a unified legal argument to the trustee and the bankruptcy court in order to secure as much of the bankruptcy estate as possible. At Lawjibsa, we not only handle rehabilitation and bankruptcy procedures for cases like this, but we also go beyond just the bankruptcy process and claim filings. We handle avoidance action lawsuits, hidden asset recovery, and personal bankruptcy or criminal cases against executives and representatives, all of which can significantly expand the bankruptcy estate. This comprehensive legal response is what sets us apart from other law firms. We do not just stop at filing claims. We pursue every possible legal action to maximize the recovery for our clients. Another important question frequently asked is, why do we need to hire a lawyer? In the case of Haru, there are many foreign victims, and under U.S. bankruptcy law, bankruptcy trustees are motivated to recover hidden assets because the trustees receive success fees. However, this differs from the Korean system, which is why the expertise of a professional law firm is essential. In Korea, bankruptcy trustees can receive a small fee if approved by the court, but generally, they receive a fixed monthly salary determined by the court. Even if they recover hidden assets, they do not receive significant success fees. For this reason, creditors themselves must make every effort to find hidden assets, exercise avoidance rights, and expand the size of the bankruptcy estate. Moreover, bankruptcy trustees do not have sufficient resources. For example, when analyzing servers, if assets have flowed to unknown individual accounts from Haru or have been taken by others, it is necessary to recover these assets through legal action, which, from a creditor's perspective, means litigation. Leaving all of this to the bankruptcy trustee is not an option. Our law firm, Lawjibsa, will work closely with the trustee, preparing legal opinions and taking all necessary legal actions. Additionally, the legal process is not just about Haru or Delio. It involves addressing individuals like Bang Joon-ho in complex matters related to Lemma. The FTX bankruptcy claims need to be received and distributed accordingly. We are also handling the bankruptcy procedures related to Bang Joon-ho, BNS Holdings, and Lemma Technologies, which are involved in recovering claims for Haru Invest's affiliates. If you do not support us and opt for individual filings or go with other firms, it will be difficult to execute this work effectively. This is why we encourage you to choose us for this case. To summarize, Lawjibsa is the law firm with the influence and capability to work closely with bankruptcy trustees to maximize the recovery of assets. Beyond representing the Haru case, our scope of representation also includes handling bankruptcy procedures for related companies, such as BNS Holdings, which we are highly familiar with. Next are their group discounts. Why is the fee so expensive? Due to so many of you asking this question, we've made a bold decision. As mentioned above, since we aim to recover as much assets as possible, By gathering a large number of creditors, we are offering a 30% discount on our retainer fee, effective until December 31st. We believe this will help us gather as many participants as possible to maximize recovery efforts. We encourage you to visit our Lawjibsa website, linked below, and join the lawsuit. The more victims we represent, the stronger we become. A unified voice of 500 or even 1,000 creditors, compared to 100, will ensure more efficient recovery when presented to the bankruptcy trustee. We hope you let us represent you and sign up with us by December 31st. For foreign clients, how does the process work? Once payment is completed through our website, foreign clients will be invited to a dedicated Telegram group for foreign participants. Our communications manager, Kathy Lee, will personally assist you with any questions through the necessary procedures. We also encourage our clients to recommend us to others. The more people involved, the stronger our collective efforts to recover assets, which benefits everyone. There have been some concerns from foreign creditors about other law firms offering lower fees. To clarify what sets Lawjibsa apart, our team includes a former presiding judge from the bankruptcy court, working alongside trustees, making us highly knowledgeable in both practical and legal aspects of the process. While other firms may focus solely on filing claims, they typically do not handle further steps if claims are denied or asset recovery becomes challenging. Only our law firm continues to submit legal opinions and provide ongoing legal support to ensure the trustee can recover the maximum amount of assets. That is it for today, and we hope this helped clarify many of the questions you had in mind. Thank you. Key updates are shared through Lawjibsa's YouTube channel, and detailed consultations are available via email at contact@lawjibsa.com.